How to change system locale on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your system locale on Windows 11. Now, the step is pretty quite simple. First, head over to your start menu, and once in start menu, go to settings. Now, if you can't find your settings option here, you can always search for it on the search bar above. Now, once you go to settings, you'll get a list of options on the left hand side of the screen. Now, go to time and language, and once on it, head over to language and region. Once here, head over to administrative language settings. Click on it and this should open up. Now here, you'll find the option to change system locale as you can see on the screen. Click on it and click down on your language that you have selected. Now you can always change it from here. In my case, I'm gonna change it to English United Kingdom. And now click on OK. And once you change it, the system locale change will not take effect until Windows is restarted. So you'll have to restart it, and once you restart it, your system locale will be changed. So this way you can change your system locale on Windows 11. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.